In this video, you'll learn how to sell a token using Trust Wallet. This process will help you convert your cryptocurrency into a more commonly used currency, such as USDT. Follow these steps carefully to ensure a smooth transaction. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Google search page by typing in the URL and pressing enter. Once on the page, you will see the familiar Google logo and search bar. This confirms you are on the correct site before proceeding. Next, locate the Trust Wallet extension in your browser. If you have not yet installed the extension, you will need to do that first. Once you find the extension icon, click on it. This will open the Trust Wallet interface where you can manage your tokens. After the Trust Wallet interface loads, look for the option labeled Sell. It is typically displayed prominently on the main dashboard. Click on this option to initiate the selling process. You may need to wait a moment for the next screen to load. Once the sell screen appears, you will see a prompt that says choose a crypto. Click on this prompt to proceed to the next step. This action will bring up a list of various cryptocurrencies available for sale. Now click on the search option to find the specific cryptocurrency you wish to sell. A search bar will appear at the top of the list. This is where you will enter the name of the cryptocurrency. Type in USDT in the search bar and press enter. The search results will display the USDT token. Ensure you select the correct USDT by verifying its detail option to continue with the transaction, At this stage, you will need to specify the amount of USDT you want to withdraw or sell. Enter the desired amount in the provided field. Be mindful of the current market rates and your available balance to avoid errors. Once you have entered the amount, click on the Continue button to proceed with the transaction. You may see a loading indicator as the system processes your request. Wait for the confirmation message to appear on the screen before moving on. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.